Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set preferences for receiving payments on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your computer and then get on the top right corner where your name lies and then select account settings. Now on your left select payment preferences. Now you guys can see this category called block payments. Select its update button. Now here as you can see guys, there are multiple options that you can change according to yourself. Like this settings only applies to the currencies that you can hold in your PayPal account. So you can select one of these options like allow payments sent to me in a currency I do not hold. So there are three options you can choose. First one is yes, accept and convert them to the US dollars. The second option called no, deny the payments, and the third option which I have selected by default says ask me whether to accept or deny each individual payment. There is another option called block accidental payments. So there are two options, that yes and no. And then there is another option called display add instructions to seller text input field. So you can again choose yes or no, and after selecting all of these options you just need to select on this save button right here, and that's how you guys can change or set your preferences for receiving money. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.